The journey begins in coffee farms. Only ripe red coffee cherries are carefully picked to ensure the best flavor and quality.
The coffee cherries are dried naturally under the sun until the moisture is reduced. The dried cherries are packed into 50-kilogram bags, loaded onto trucks, and transported to the coffee processing factory. At the factory, the dried coffee cherries are cleaned to remove impurities. Special hulling machines then remove the outer dried husk and separate the coffee beans inside. The beans are carefully graded and sorted. Only the highest quality coffee beans are selected for instant coffee production. The selected beans are roasted to develop their rich flavor and aroma. The roasted beans are then ground into fine coffee powder. Hot water passes through the roasted coffee powder, extracting the flavor, aroma, and soluble coffee compounds to create liquid coffee extract. The coffee extract is concentrated by removing excess water, creating a rich and powerful coffee concentrate. The concentrated coffee is sprayed into a drying tower. Hot air removes the remaining moisture, transforming the liquid into instant coffee powder. The instant coffee granules are packed into jars and sachets, sealed for freshness, and prepared for shipment worldwide. After packaging, the instant coffee is shipped to stores and enjoyed by millions of coffee lovers around the world.
From carefully processed coffee beans to premium instant coffee, every step is completed inside this world-class manufacturing facility. The finished product is distributed across the globe,